Hi, today I will show you how to open an EDPUZZLE account and create a video with questions for the students. So first you want to sign up as a teacher. It's always better to sign in with Google, it makes things way faster. And once you're in, you click on content and click on YouTube, and you can choose a video that you like. Okay, for example, we can choose a video about the present progressive. Okay, and let's say we want to choose this one. We click on edit and we start playing the video, and when we think it's a good time to ask a question to reinforce the information, we stop. So what we do first is we click on quizzes, and then we have this question mark here. So we watch the video, and when we want to add a question, we click on the question mark. Okay, move forward. Okay, so now that would be a good time to ask a question. So this is for an open-ended question. This icon is for multiple choice, and this is just for a comment. So let's say we want to do a multiple choice, and we want to ask a question like, what is unique about this instrument? And the correct question would be here with the green check. So we can write it is the only one in the world, or one of its kind, and here we want to write it is the only black instrument in the world. Okay, if we want to add more questions or more answers, we can click on add answer, and we will get another one. We can write it is the biggest in the world, which is not a correct answer. This is the correct answer. World, one of a kind. And then we want to click on save, and then we have that question right here. So when the student plays the video, it looks like this. Okay, so you can see what the student sees. He sees this question: what is unique about this instrument? It is the only one in the world, one of a kind. That is the correct answer. That's what he would have to click, or she. And then they click continue. And you continue and you add more as you go, more questions. When you finish, click on finish. And then you can assign it. Let's say I can assign it to you, or I can add a new class. And you can write the name of the class, for instance, Yud Aleph Arba. And then OK. And then assign, and it's ready. It's ready to go. You can click on share assignment, and what you do is you just copy this link and you upload this link to our forum, and then I can see your video and everyone can see your video. Alright? If you have questions, let me know. Bye bye.